Bitcoin seemed to be on the right track for a decoupling with U.S. stocks, but that was short-lived as the largest cryptocurrency fell for the first time in 5 trading sessions. Bloomberg's Katie Greifeld here in New York for more. Good to see you in person, Katie.
Thrilling to see you in person.
So thrilling,
yes.
Indeed. That's the word. What happened?
It's not good. That correlation with big tech, when it comes to Bitcoin, it's back in a big way. That's actually bad news for Bitcoin because the NASDAQ 100, it's dropped for 2 straight days. It's down about 1% so far this week. And if you look at what that's meant for Bitcoin, basically under a lot of pressure, it dropped almost 7% on Wednesday alone. It's back below that $30,000 per coin level. It still hasn't broken out on the low end of its range, but Emily, it can't get it off the ground. So
what should we expect to happen tomorrow?
It's a good question. I've actually been taking a look at the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF. The ticker there is BITO. If you look at its put to call ratio, it's close to a record high. That ratio right now stands at about 1.6. And if you pair that with what we're seeing in short interest, about 10% of BITO shares outstanding are sold short at the moment. You add that all together, basically it tells you that even though BITO and Bitcoin down well over 30% so far this year, traders preparing for more losses ahead.
Now, I got to tie this back to Sheryl Sandberg somehow, because that is the big news of the day. Let's not forget that Facebook had a big cryptocurrency project. Libra, David Marcus, who had come over from PayPal, ended up running that. He's no longer at the company either. Is there, how much hope is there for Facebook to have a role in the crypto space?
It feels like this company really has a tortured relationship when it comes to the entire crypto ecosystem. Like you said, I mean, Diem never really got off the ground. It took a long time for that to unravel. And now, obviously, Facebook, now Meta, took a hard pivot into the metaverse, that digital world. I haven't heard a good definition for it yet. But in any case, they're investing a ton of money there. But we heard from Zuckerberg just late last month saying that it's going to be a long path to a return on investment in the metaverse, that Meta is going to lose significant money in the metaverse for the next 3 to 5 years. But like Sarah Fryer said just in the last segment, Facebook needs the metaverse to work, but that could take a while.